Last time was kind of better, but
Yeah.
whoa! Why did you get pandas?
We're putting these on.
What the hell?
We're testing those.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
up!
The fuck is that?
What are you doing?
Oh my god. Let me see it. Holy shit.
There's no tires yet, but
God damn.
It's been quiet. License registration. Oh! This dude's making his credit go to 800.
hell yeah. Hold on, PayPal credit? What's up? Dude, that means he can test fit all our wheels. Wasn't that bad.
Last time was kind of better, but
Yeah. Are you going?
yeah.
Oh shit. Alright.
You got two stuff you're putting on.
Oh yeah. Let's you wanna show that now?
Yeah.
Alright, so
What you got?
we got a lip.
Because of this. Right?
Yeah.
Because you broke it. Whoa! Why did you get
We're
pandas?
putting these on.
What the hell?
We're test fitting those. Actually.
Wow. You even surprised me.
You know what's funny? When we were talking, when you said that to me, pandas
What, pandas?
Are like
That was
low-key-
like a week or two ago.
Yeah, so I was in the middle of an auction.
Oh, Yaj?
Yeah, dude. Guess how much I got them for?
It's a pair?
Up here.
What spec?
17 by 9 plus 43.
That's a good spec. So, considering that, are you talking about auction or overall?
Auction price. Let's just do
Auction
How
price,
much you
I
think I want
will
them for?
say, because of the way you're sounding, probably 400.
440.
Oh, and then, yeah. Nice, wow.
I was trying to get Travis to mount them today so I could just roll up.
Yeah. Dang, that would have been really surprised. You already got tires for these?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's why you were talking about tires last time?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, dude.
Dang, we got so many wheels!
Hey, we gotta retake that real picture, dude.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I was like,
These are
man.
sick.
Right when you said it, the night you said it, I won the auction. I was
Wow.
like, oh, wow.
When they come in?
Today.
Oh,
So,
wow.
I was
They
expecting
get every...
tomorrow. I was
Wait, do you have a short shirt? There's
No,
sh-
there's no
oh,
short
It's
sister,
this?
there's no lip. The
Oh,
top,
there's no lip?
there's
Dang.
no lip, yeah, so I'm still busted. But, so I mean, there's rash right here.
And that's fine.
But,
I
I
mean,
mean-
440.
Yeah, I'm gonna
And these are
rebuild them.
rare. Dang.
Dude, with caps too.
Yeah. How do you take these off?
I don't know. I tried like unscrewing them. You probably just pop them from the inside.
Yeah, they look like TE caps. Dang.
Trying to test fit them.
Yeah?
I would.
What tire size you gonna put on these?
Stretch
know?
and stretch.
Well, we'll find out.
So,
You're gonna go.
these
you're
are going in the front.
Those are going front?
Yeah, and these are an inch wider than those, and that's how
Yeah.
that fits. So I'm throwing a 205/40 for now.
Oh, so what are you putting these on
These
the
are
rear?
going in the back.
Oh, so it'll be 9 up and 8 rear.
8 rear. Yeah. Yeah, I know, right?
So. Oh, I got another pair of R33s. They're under there.
Oh yeah, look.
Go look.
Oh, you lying ass. How did I not? I should have saw that coming.
I know. I'm nice.
You can uncover it. We were just covering it for you.
Yeah, that was for you. Here are your new wheels.
She.
On whatever car you're getting. Of course, alrighty, here we go.
Oh, we're good. I thought it wasn't gonna fit.
Why? Because you're more?
Because the 20 mil spacer.
Oh, you thought it'd be too out?
Yeah, and I thought it was gonna be a little too aggressive for what I want. But
It's actually kind of nice.
Yeah, you could probably go 215 if you wanted to.
yeah, there's a used set for like $20. I might just end up buying it.
Dang, it already looks good.
That's gonna look crazy.
That is.
Oh fuck, dude.
Dang. You got a heart on it. Wow. Look at that side.
Damn, Travis, why couldn't you mount them tonight? Oh, I'm glad it's not
Dang.
poking out of
That
it.
ain't crazy. Sheesh. I want to see what the fives will look like in the back now.
I could throw them on real quick.
Yeah. And you could do the other Pana.
Oh, yeah, we can do that actually.
Gotta get our...
Funny. Please keep an eye on it.
Oh yeah. I'll scream if anything happens.
Alright.
Are you on it?
Yeah.
Is that it?
I'm off.
Yeah, it's still good. Sick.
Damn it.
Aww.
Dang, dude, now I need to find 2 more. Fuck. That.
Wow. Yeah, this is something you gotta get a full set on.
I still gotta find 2 more.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
up.
The fuck is that?
What are you doing?
Oh my god. Let me see it. Holy shit.
There's no tires yet, but
Yeah. God damn.
Aren't you excited to put those on? Like
yeah.
me?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. God damn.
They're actually gonna fit like better than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like sticking out.
Oh yeah, how is it in the rear though? We never. Oh, rear is money. Why is rear always money?
Oh, is that Jarrell?
Huh? Yeah.
No. He said. Aw. Dude, look what we're using to test it.
What the hell? Fucking trash.
Trash bags, dude. Well, yeah, Patrick's there.
Yeah, he's a photographer.
Yeah. Huh?
How's he out there and under the car?
You're stupid.
Oh dang.
I think I'm close to 4,000 into parts on this.
It's been how long?
I bought it in April.
How long is that? I'm not good at math right now. Quick math.
That's 7 months.
7 months, 4,000. You should be at 7,000 by now. You're
Well, it includes the
slacking.
purchase of the car. I'm eight into the car completely.
There we go. That's over $1,000 a month.
Dude, when you say it like that.
That's the number we were looking for.
Oh, you know what? I guess there's enough wheel space on the back for the bolts to be in. So I wonder.
It's already good?
Yeah, so I wonder if since I'm gonna be running the 5s in the rear,
Yeah.
if I take a 5mm spacer and put it right here,
Oh.
so that the bolts aren't hitting the back,
Yeah.
and it'll poke this out. But ooh, that's gonna be tight.
Yeah. Didn't you already pull these?
Yeah, I can pull it more though. I'm willing to pull it. So maybe I'll be able to run them sooner than I thought.
And it's not on the ground. You might get more camber.
Yeah. It's not bad.
You definitely need a 5mm.
Well, yeah, the 5mm would fill it out.
Yeah.
But I could drop it lower and then tuck the wheel. I could like tuck like right here. If I drop it just a little lower. But I don't want to do that. Because I am trying to slide this thing too. Not bad.
I like the all
I mean,
all
yeah.
pan.
I would prefer
What?
that.
We should have done this one first.
Yeah, we should.
We always do it the opposite.
Yeah, the hype way first.
Yeah.
Fuck though, it looks good. I want to take off the other.
Ramp.
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing
Who's that? Oh.
Alright,
I got
yeah,
RJ's
the
here.
first time.
Yeah. It's been quiet.
Excuse me, sir.
License registration.
Wow.
What's up?
Hi, Jules. How are you? What's up, bitch?
Fuck boy. What plate is this from?
The truck.
I figured.
Yeah.
Going in with the Civic plate.
This Jang look bronze in this light.
Yeah.
Looks sweet.
Yo, let me borrow your keys.
You can't even fit them.
It's a joke, bro. It's a joke.
Is it?
Kinda not really.
This thing would look sweet on these.
No, that shit would hit. TEs.
Yeah,
I
on-
feel like no one's ran TEs on one of these.
And this color combo, I don't even know what color this is, but
don't
this
know
color
either.
combo,
It's green.
I say
It's
like sea green.
It's like silver. They call it silver. SIBER. Silver
What are
green.
they, fob?
yeah.
No, they're German. You fuck.
What are they, German fobs?
Yeah, they German fob.
They say silver.
Silver.
No,
Boy.
son.
Right there on
Or,
the bottom. You see that shit hanging
oh
out?
yeah.
So your boy
What's
got
that?
stuck on a curb at Harbor Freight.
Dang, you're low.
No, not even like how you think how you think it happened.
I fucking thought I didn't know that the fucking curb was right there.
And he
Oh.
turned
So
into it.
I
You-
turned
so you
hard as
just can't
fuck.
drive.
Yeah, exactly. It's my first lowered car, bro. dude.
Shut up. Insert his truck. Here.
Thursday.
Then just running it through your credit right now. Pay it off on Thursday.
Yeah.
You gotta
That's
do it
how
for
you
the
build credit.
vlog.
That's how
I
you
hate
build
you guys.
credit.
Yeah, what score you at? I'm at.
Bitch, wow. I'm only at.
Well, you'll be at 800 if you buy these shits right now.
I'll give you some of my credit. You can take some. I'm feeling pretty good too.
So you're gonna buy them?
The good thing about them not being hub centric,
Oh, they're in your car.
you're buying two.
Oh. This dude's making his credit go to 800.
Hell yeah. Hold up. PayPal credit? What's up?
Dude, that means he can test fit all our wheels.
Hey, bet.
Hey, I'm running. I'm charging.
Wait,
Yeah.
where's that? There it is. PayPal credit. Bet. Hold up.
PayPal credit? You want to get declined.
Nah,
Sorry.
No,
There
don't
we
you already
go.
have PayPal credit?
Financing available. Let's get it. I got it. No interest and paid in full in 6 months? Bet.
Then buy 8 of them.
Wait, why is there only one? Okay, there we go.
Buy 8 so you can put them on each other.
Bitch, what?
40.
In case you need
Alright,
40.
there we go. 211.
Buy 8 so the other 4 for Patrick when he buys a car.
What if he doesn't get a BMW?
I want him to. I know he.
Hey, orders in
Oh!
Tuesday. I should get it by Tuesday.
Dang, you spent a lot of money.
Get the fuck out.
Are you still gonna tip?
Hey, I'm vlogging here.
So the guy has one set left. You know what he's trying to sell them for?
Of what?
1,000.
Of adapters?
He has one set of adapters left.
He's trying to sell it for 1,000?
Yeah.
On Facebook?
No, on eBay.
Oh.
How much do they go for?
I bought these for 130.
So you can sell yours for 900 because they're used.
Yeah.
Because they're used. Yeah, you better come up.
No, you can
You
sell
can't
it.
put any wheels on, but you better come
not
up.
Even, not even because they're used, bro. Just to get his business.
Actually, no, they're in
Why,
a.
why would I spend 1,000 when I can get it for 900?
So what's special about those?
Would this fit? Would this fit?
I don't know.
It's kind of thick.
They're just adapters, but I guess they're super.
like,
It's,
how
it's,
Audi?
it's because they don't.
They don't make them.
They don't really make
does that
5x120 to
does that sit on
5x114.
your- Does that sit on your hub?
It sits in here, right in here.
Does it is it flush?
Yeah.
If it's flush, then it's not gonna fit. Like, see if you can move it around.
That shit flush. That's good for him. Bad for you.
Nah, what do you mean? I already got some.
Oh yeah, you rich.
Yeah,
Yeah, he said, yeah, I got you, bro.
I was. Not both. Not poor.
Then you bought 2 of them. Get your old wheels and then get 6 lug again.
That's what I was saying. Yo, them shits is aggressive as fuck. I got 9.5 in the front and then 10.5 in the back.
On the truck?
Yeah.
I never
Yo,
knew they were that
There was
aggressive.
there was this much clearance in between wheel and frame on the back. So that shit was always rubbing whenever I hit one.
That shit's still rubbing now.
What are you talking about?
For that. Oh wait, no.
No,
you,
on the
you
black.
got rid of them.
Yeah, no, I got I still
What?
have the black one.
Oh, you do?
I gave him the red one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why do you still have the other ones?
Cool.
Like what? Like deer or something?
Oh yeah, Deerfield.
God, that's what it was.
Why do you still have the other ones? Because you're getting another truck? Oh.
No, bro. I wasn't just gonna give him those too. Them shits was money.
Dang, so you got money.
No, trying to. Somebody buy them. Yo, buy my SSR 6 lug authentics.
I'll put a picture right here.
Right here.
Are you gonna keep the bike?
Nah, bro.
That's for sale too?
Yeah.
Put it right here.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm surprised.
Bro, People been hitting me up. They're like 38. I'm like, no, bitch, 4.
You're cheap as fuck. It's only $200.
I'm not pressed, bro.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
you're
not pressed.
I wouldn't let that go.
There's not even anything there. Oh, is he really going straight? Oh, you're bold. Oh, he got it. Oh. What the fuck? You ain't low at all.
Time to go low.
That shit was crazy.
That's the best, dude.
That
I
was-
thought I was gonna fucking break this shit.
I was looking forward to it. Oh, he did it! Wow.
It's broke.
He should be a mechanic.
Travis, who?
Wait, are these O2 sensors just pull plugs? Oh yeah, they are.
Dang, you should definitely become a mechanic.
Damn, I'm a BMW mechanic.
See you check it for like a month.
Plot twist, it's just free spinning.
Yeah, you never broke it. You stripped it.
It's like sitting right above the
You were,
fucking.
you were actually tightening it.
Fuck me, dude.